Hey, it's Thursday, June 6th, and we're headed to Proud Lake State Park. Got Belle with me, got my mountain bike, and I have an Oru Kayak with me. At Proud Lake is the Huron River, kind of starts there. That is where I think I'm going to take the Oru out for the first time. And then they also have some new mountain bike trails that I haven't been on yet. And of course, it's one of Belle's favorite swimming spots, because she likes to catch the fish. We are on our way. It says we should be there in about 35 minutes. We're driving through Clarkston, Michigan now. We'll see you there. All right, I'm checking in.
Okay, what's the campsite number?
78.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Okay, been walking for almost 2 miles and we made it to Belle's favorite swimming spot, so hopefully there's enough people here and I'll let her go. You excited, Belle? Hold on. Wanna go swimming? Princess. Okay, ready? Ready, go! You ready? You ready to go? Come on, Bill. You ready? You wanna go home? You done swimming? You look tired. Come on. Let's go. You going home? Yeah, good girl. Yeah, right, grab the bag. Let's go. Hey, what are you smelling? Hmm? Can we go this way? What'd you find? Oh, that's cool. Alright, we're not going that way though. Come on. Come on, princess. Gotta put your leash on. Okay, so we just made it back from our walk and Bill's swim. Now I gotta decide if I want to go mountain biking or kayaking. I don't know. Hey, babe.
course.
Good boy, getting you. So I just finished loops 3 and 4. I'm really out of shape. Look at these cheeks. That's not so bad. Yeah, so like I'm really out of shape. Everybody's passing me. I gotta find out where I'm going. Hi, Princess. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Belle. Just kidding. We got pizza. Let's see what kind of pizza we got. Oh, I got cheese bread. I was supposed to get regular breadsticks. Pizza. Yum. Okay, so I'm back from mountain biking and I just got the pizza. So me and Belle are gonna eat and then maybe have a fire. Is that right, Belle? Who wants the pizza? Belle, you're gonna miss out. Alright. Come on in, Belle. Alright. First we're gonna try cheesy bread. Good. There you go. Yummy, it's good. Yum. You're so funny. Now the pizza. It's okay. The pizza is it's just okay. I'd probably say 5.5 out of 10. It did come from a gas station, so hey, what are you gonna do? So I'm gonna watch a TV show, so I'll see you guys later.
Of course. Although we don't really keep a running list of those people. So we've got our regulars.
Good morning, little girl. Oh, good morning, little girl. Oh, good morning. How'd you sleep? Not so good. Yeah, it's tough. Did you take up all the room? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're a good girl. Alright, so this is my first time taking this kayak out. It's the Oru Kayak lake. And I want to take it out today, but before I do, I figure I should try to put it together. I didn't bring the instructions, so we're just gonna open that. I think I saw you push in. Ugh, I don't think I'm doing this right already. It's like a seat. Wow, okay. You should probably read the instructions first. Let's see how to really do this. Actually, you know what? I found the video, but there's this thing you scan. Oh, look at that. Takes you right to the video. So you unstrap it, fold it out, take the seat off, push the edges in. At least I did that right. Okay, so before you strap anything, you got to put the seat in. Let's try that. And there's an angle here, and the angle here goes with that. All right. Well, that makes more sense. All right, seats in the track. What's next? do you think, Belle? Is this gonna float? Exciting. So I got the kayak and the paddles, and we got a little bit of a walk, and we're gonna test this thing out. I gotta say, it's not the lightest thing in the world, but it beats carrying around a 50-pound kayak. Floats. Crazy how you can see the water in the boat. That's cool. It works. Alright, let's go. The wind really blows me around. I'm not sure if my other kayak does that either. This thing does not track. It does. It's not bad for what it is, 9-10 feet. I really hope it doesn't rain on me. What the heck? Something big just jumped out of the water. Guys, there you have it. The Oru Kayak Lake. I gotta tell you, I love it. I highly recommend it.